Hello creators, and welcome back to All About AI. Today we are solving one of the most common visual problems, low-resolution, blurry images. Whether you found an old family photo or just need to blow up a small graphic, AI image upscaling is the trick you need. I'm going to show you the power of modern algorithms to turn fuzzy photos into ultra-sharp masterpieces completely free. In 2025, over 78% of creators use AI upscaling tools weekly as they've become faster, more accurate, and often free. We'll start with the AI tools you might already have in Adobe Photoshop, and then jump into the best dedicated free platforms like Freepik, Pixelcut, and more. Let's dive in. Method 1. Photoshop's AI upscaling. We're starting with Photoshop. Open up your low-resolution image. Photoshop includes an AI-assisted upscaling feature that is quite instantaneous. To find it, go to the Image menu and select Image Size. Inside that dialog box, you'll find the setting called Preserve Details 2.0. You can select that and upscale your image, maybe setting the width to about 2400 pixels. Click OK, and there is Photoshop's result. It's definitely better than the original image. Where do we go next? Method 2. Free online and dedicated AI tools. The real power is in specialized AI software and web tools. And the best part, many of the most powerful options are completely free and don't require you to sign up. For a simple, fast, online upscale, let's look at Freepik. You can enhance your images in just seconds. Start by opening the Edit tab in their image generator. Upload your image, fine-tune the settings to get the look you want, and immediately see the before and after difference. You can then use the resulting high-quality image wherever you need it. Freepik's Upscaler supports enhancement up to 10K resolution and lets you adjust texture, detail, behavior, including creative models that add convincing micro detail for portraits and product shots. You can also find similar, powerful AI websites where you upload your low-quality image, the enhancement is completed in a few moments, and you can download the result. For professional-grade, massive upscaling, we have two excellent free options. First is Upscale. This is a downloadable application available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The massive advantage here is that once installed, you do not need online access or the internet to get it working. You simply drag and drop your photo, select the model you want to use, and choose your upscale factor, 2x, 3x, or 4x. Upscale has become a community favorite in 2025, with approximately 40,900 GitHub stars, batch support, and real ESRGAN-based models for natural textures. If you really want to push it, you can select the double upscale option. By doubling both the width and height of a 4x upscale, you can achieve a massive 16 times increase, leading to insane resolutions, such as 9600 by 10,240 pixels. This does, however, put a heavier load on your system. If you don't have a powerful system, or you prefer a web interface, Pixelcut.ai is an excellent choice. You don't have to sign up to use it. While batch upscaling requires payment, single image upscaling is free. The results from Pixelcut often look almost identical to upscale with a Y. Here at AllAboutAI, we recognize that speed matters. Be wary of some online tools like dgb.lol. While they are free, they are funded by ads, and you often have to wait in a queue for your turn. Sometimes, that wait can be as long as 15 or 32 minutes. For massive transformations, you can use specialized tools that go beyond simple resizing. You can access tools that can turn normal photos into ultra-high-quality 8K images, completely free and unlimited. This typically involves selecting an 8K upscaler tool, uploading your picture, and then providing an accurate description or prompt of the image. You can even use Gemini AI to enhance low-quality photos. Gemini isn't technically an upscaler, but if your original image is less than 2K resolution, the enhanced output will have a much higher quality. You upload your image and use a prompt asking the AI to enhance or recreate the details, correcting things like lighting and shadow for a massive improvement. So which AI upscaler is the best? If you have a powerful computer, want maximum customizability, and need to batch process hundreds or thousands of photos, Upscale is hands down the best choice. If your system isn't powerful enough, or you need a quick online result without signing up, PixelCut is a powerful contender. That's everything you need to know about AI upscaling right now. Brought to you by AllAboutAI. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss any other future tips, tricks, or tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep creating.